Are you ready to pursue your dream of doing a PhD? Applying for a supervisor can seem challenging, but with a clear, step-by-step approach, you can stand out and secure a spot with a great mentor. Let's dive in. Step 1. Finding a PhD supervisor of your research interest. Start by identifying supervisors whose research aligns with your interests. Use platforms like Google Scholar, Web of Science, Scopus, ORCID, and ResearchGate to explore their profiles. Check their recent publications, research themes, and ongoing projects. Pay attention to the quality of their work, their research impact, and the relevance of their expertise to your goals. Take time to read their most cited papers to understand their focus areas. This step helps you prepare for meaningful conversations later. Step 2. Preparing a winning CV and cover letter. Before reaching out to a supervisor, prepare a professional CV and a compelling cover letter. Highlight the following: GRE, GATE scores. These demonstrate your academic readiness. TOEFL, IELTS scores. If you're an international applicant, this showcases your English proficiency. Publications and relevant skills. Showcase how your experience aligns with the supervisor's research. Referees. Include contact details of people who can vouch for your academic capabilities. A well-structured CV and cover letter help you stand out and convey professionalism. Step 3. Finding scholarships. Next, research the scholarships available in your chosen country and institution. Many universities offer internal funding, while external scholarships can be applied through government bodies or international organizations. Make a list of eligibility criteria, deadlines, and application requirements. Matching your supervisor's research interests with a specific scholarship shows initiative and planning. Step 4. Writing a compelling email. Once you've identified a supervisor and scholarship, it's time to write a professional email. Include a brief introduction. Mention your academic background and key achievements. Research interest. Explain why their research aligns with your goals. Scholarship plan. State the scholarship you intend to apply for and how it fits their research. Attach your CV and cover letter to the email. Keep it concise, polite, and tailored to the supervisor's expertise. Step 5. Preparing for the interview. If you're shortlisted, prepare a 10-minute presentation to showcase your strengths. Highlight GRE, GATE, and TOEFL, IELTS scores. Emphasize your academic preparedness, publications, and skills. Explain how your experience contributes to the supervisor's research. Research. Fit. Describe your interest in their work and how you plan to add value to their team. Practice your presentation multiple times, anticipate questions, and show genuine enthusiasm for their work. Step 6. Get feedback and improve your CV. After your interview, don't hesitate to ask for feedback. Use their input to refine your CV or presentation. Continuous improvement demonstrates your commitment and adaptability. Even if you're not selected, this step strengthens your application for future opportunities. Remember, the journey to securing a PhD supervisor is about preparation, persistence, and passion. Every step brings you closer to achieving your dream. Good luck with your application, and never stop chasing your potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and advice on your academic journey. Stay inspired and keep reaching for your goals.